Hey everybody, it's One Click Lindsay with trafficandleads.com. Today I'm going to be telling you a really cool, super secret tip on how to utilize Facebook groups. So if you've been in the if you've been trying to find your perfect client Facebook groups, you know that it can take a really lot of effort and time. Like what the going-ons are, like what the gurus will tell you is find Facebook groups, get in there, make yourself known, do all the things, help people out, give free information. Yes, totally works. Absolutely love it. But sometimes you just don't have time for that. You know what I mean? So this super secret stealth method will help you find your perfect clients within Facebook groups, okay? And here's the tip. Here's the trick. You're going to go to a Facebook group. You're going to join it. You'll be in there, maybe make a couple of comments, and then you're going to strike, okay? In the next few days, after you join the group, you're going to make a post about your perfect client, okay, or your perfect avatar. So like, for example, I have a perfect product that helps podcasters, okay? It's called an Alexa Flash Briefing. I'm not going to tell you about it, but it's perfect for podcasters. So I would go into a Facebook group full of small business owners, and I would say something like this. Hey, does anybody have a podcast? Does anybody have a podcast here? I'd love to listen to some podcasts, right? So what happens? 1,000 people, I've literally done this and found 1,000 of my perfect clients show up, okay? 1,000 of these people will reply, I do, here's my link, here it is, blah, 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 right? And then is what you do. Now you have your perfect clients, you click on them, and then you can either like find them on LinkedIn and try to make nice over there. You friend them on Facebook, try to have a small conversation there, not in a salesy way. I'm very big on like not really pushing, but literally making connections with someone and becoming friends and networking. So it's a bit of a slow going, but you can find your perfect clients. That's why it's a little bit useful to find them rising to the top in that Facebook group and go find them either on Instagram or on LinkedIn. And honestly, you can find a guy on Upwork, which is a website that you can find really inexpensive overseas labor, and you can send them the link to your post and say, go and find me, first name, last name, email, not email probably, but website, LinkedIn, Instagram, please return this. And like they will work for $3 an hour and get you back your hot leads list. Then you go connect with them on LinkedIn and boom, you're talking now to your perfect client. And you don't have to deal with all this Facebook situation. You know what I mean? All right. I hope that tip works for you. I have so many more tips where that came from. And if you want to join me, I have a free Facebook group where I'm always going live, and there's a group of amazing entrepreneurs and small business owners looking to make a splash and amplify their online marketing. I invite you to join me. It's called Traffic and Leads University. Fill out the form below. We're very picky about who we let in, because we want to keep it high quality, right? Quality versus quantity when it comes to digital marketing. So fill out the form below, and I hope to see you in the university.